It is absolutely not a time to joke with Kenyans, as Kenyans are taking everything seriously and taking matters into their own hands. Recently, lawyer Felix Kiprino, the lawyer who was representing Masinde Barasa, released a statement defending his client. Now, he stated that this was a case of mistaken identity and that Masinde or Cleansy Barasa, the alleged cop who is believed to have shot Boniface Kariuki, is not guilty. Now, he said that this was just a case of mistaken identity. According to the lawyer, that the rubber bullet that was fired at Boniface Kariuki was aimed from another place and not from his client.
He's saying he's not the one who discharged that rubber bullet. So the person who has been arrested and remanded at Capitol Hill Police Station is a case of mistaken identity. He was not the one who fired that rubber bullet, and we don't know who. So we are calling also upon the IPOA to take over the matter. And what raises eyebrows is the manner in which the homicide division of the DCI came into the matter. The homicide division unit can only come when the person is deceased or when we have lost someone. But we have not lost anyone. And yet we have the homicide unit coming to investigate. But of great panorama.
The statement, however, was met with huge denunciation from Kenyans who told him off for lying. They accused him of lying about the mistaken identity and even accused him of talking about a rubber bullet because Boniface Kariuki was clearly injured and he's in the ICU still fighting for his life. So why are they talking rubber bullets? But according to a statement recently issued on X by the same lawyer, Kenyans not only called him out in the comment sections but also followed up with salamu, and he says that in recent hours he has gotten thousands of calls and messages, all because of representing Masinde Barasa. And in a twist of events, the lawyer has withdrawn from representing Masinde Barasa. Yes, you've had it right. The same lawyer who seemed adamant to defend his client and prove his innocence has now suddenly backed out of the case. The statement issued a few hours ago states, "I have received over 1,000 messages and calls from Gen Z because of representing a police suspect. As such, I hereby recuse myself from the conduct of the matter." As for the suspect, he, Masinde Barasa, alongside his fellow constable Duncan Kiprono, were earlier today arraigned at the Milimani Law Courts. Here, the court ordered that they be detained for 15 days as investigations continue. The mention will be on the 3rd of July. Here's how Kenyans reacted to the lawyer Felix Kiprino for withdrawing from the case. One comment says, "Chunga sana next time, uongo ingine hata kama wewe ni lawyer." Another person told him, "But the end goal of your representation was to ensure that justice is served, be it against the police officer or the victim." With another one saying, "Umekuwa mjanja ndugu, at least you understand what this generation means to your career." Another one added, "You are a disgrace. Someone is in ICU yet he didn't shoot." One netizen raised a concern, "Mchezo wa town. I know under the law, if the accused doesn't get enough representation by defense advocate, he can appeal the case and walk free. And you are here saying they used rubber bullet when someone's child went through surgery and he is in ICU. Tutakusalimia vizuri wewe." People are still not letting him off the hook that easily. It's evident from this comment, with another one adding, "Ati unasema ni AI. Uko na kichwa mzuri wewe. This is not a child's play between Arsenal and Manhattan. We will deal with you. Usiende kusema ujinga hapo buda." Tread carefully next time. You saw everything that happened in that video. The guy is fighting for his life. That was really unfair. I always ask myself, even if ni kazi and you lawyers have a family to feed, there is nothing that tells you, nah, this case cannot represent. Imagine such a person gets acquitted. Can you boast about a job well done? Or is there no moral intuition that tells you that was not humane? Na iwe funzo kwako, we are busy trying to fix this nation while fighting the kind of injustices you're trying to cover up. Shake my head. You should be ashamed of yourself. So what are your thoughts on this latest development in the case? Did you foresee the lawyer withdrawing from representing the suspects? And what do you think about it? Is it a good thing that he's withdrawn, or is it still yet another foul play? Engage with us in the comments and stay tuned for more updates.